Welcome to our tutorial on the add command. I've got an assembly here with two components. We can see that this part is transparent, and part 2 is a shell. Let's right-click and hide part 2. Now let's right-click and bring it back. Next, I'll click on the add command. And then we'll click on part 2. The Assembly Features Definition window opens. Parts possibly affected. Let's select Part 1, and let's move it to the Affected Parts list. Now we'll click OK. If I right-click on Part 2 and hide it, I see that material was added to Part 1. And under the Assembly Features branch, I see an Add feature. And this concludes our tutorial on the Add command.